How to fix Roblox upgrade error. So if your app is not upgrading or updating, you can actually fix it in a few simple ways. So for example, guys, as you can see, I have my Roblox and here I can press on update, but for some people, when they press on it, it's just getting stuck. They can't push this update, they can't make it go through. So if you can't do that, just go ahead and navigate to your app search. Okay, in Roblox. All right, and in your search, just type in Roblox, long press, go to info, then go to clear data and make sure to clear the cache like this. As you can see, storage will get reduced a bit, and then try again to update it. And then to update it, you just press on update, and let me see if it works for me. All right, as you can see, it installed just fine. And after that, you can just go ahead and launch the app and start playing. And if that didn't help, you just go ahead and uninstall the app like this, and then just press on install again. Just reinstall it pretty much. On iPhone, you have a designated button to reinstall the app. So that's pretty much it, guys. Enjoy playing Roblox. If this helped you out, like and subscribe, and I'll see you very soon.